my grill, it was looking pretty rough. So I searched around and I actually found a product that works awesome. Check this out. Now, this is called Grill Clean. Now, Grill Clean is made by a Fuller Brush Company, and what I like about this is it removes all that burnt on grease and food. Very easy. I just put down some newspapers and I sprayed this on, and you wait really just 1 to 2 minutes. And while I'm waiting, I got their brush. Now, their grill brush, it's a high heat nylon bristles, can withstand heat up to 250 degrees without melting, really thick and stiff. So once your 2 minutes is done, you just scrub off all that old grease and then you can rinse it. Now, I just put mine in a rinse cycle in the dishwasher. I figured that would be easiest. And when I came back, it was incredible. So these came out really clean. I'm excited to get them back on my grill. It's a night and day difference.